Hi, this is Paul at PATools, and in this video we're going to take a little look at how easy it is to mail merge entirely in Excel. You will have downloaded and installed our software, and that means that you will see at the top right of your screen here on the Home tab some PATools items, and we're going to be using the Merge suite here within the More section. You will also find there's a whole tab of PATools items which you can enter the Merge suite from here. So we're going to open up the Merge suite and we're going to go straight to the demo workbook to have a look at that, and we will see that we start on a tab called Data 0. Just one quick word, if you don't see these tab items and you're using an earlier version of Excel with menus, then you'll find there's a PATools menu where you can enter the Merge suite from there. Right, so here we are. We've got a very simple group of data here with a name and a score, John and Mary, 10 and 20. And next to that is a template we've set up. Dear name, your score is score, well done. So we're going to merge that data into here. It's obviously very, very simple, this one. So let's have a go. Let's go in from here, merge suite. So we follow the wizard. Step 1, select the source data. Source data is tab 0, rows 2 to 3. That's already populated for us. So we go next. The template to receive the source data is template 0. And this is the trick. If you always have your data and your template next to it in this order, then you don't even have to change anything in those. Next, we're going to do these into a print preview, and we'll go next and finish and run the merge. Yes. So you'll see, here's the first one. Dear John, your score is 10. Well done. Dear Mary, your score is 20. Well done. So we'll close that as well. And we're back to here. 2 attempted, 2 succeeded, and none failed. So we can close that down, and that's how simple it is to do a very basic mail merge. Obviously you could do lots of rows and you could have a much more complicated template. So let's have a look at an example. We're going to jump straight to data 3 and output 3. So here we've got the template, statement of account with a logo, put in your company name and address, and there's some calculations here which obviously at the moment are showing errors, but we'll see what happens when we do that merge later on. So we'll go to data 3 and we've got some data here. We will merge just a selection of this. Now over on the right you'll have a look and you'll see that there's some special fields, email subject, and in here there's a calculation where it calculates a statement for company A dated today's date, the 12th of April, in that format. So you can use Excel to do quite a lot of the clever work here for you. So let's just select these rows here and we'll run 2 merges covering those 2. And let's see what happens. We'll go in this way this time. Merge suite. So from data 3, rows 2 to 10. Yep, we're happy with that. We could increase it. We could change that, but we'll run that into output 3. And this time we're going to go to email with a PDF file attachment. Finish and run the merge from 9 rows to email. Yes. And what we will see is in a moment, it creates for us a couple of emails. There they are, lined up, ready to go. Go back to Excel and you can see, get those messages. We'll close those. So let's go and have a quick look at those emails. Statement for company A, that is AA1, statement for company A dated 12th April, and if we look at the PDF attachment, there you can see it's got its 3 lines of data with the amounts. That one is marked as overdue, been calculated, 562, please pay now because that's overdue. And so you could just hit send. Obviously you could change this, you could type something in here before it goes, and you'll see later on that this could be pre-populated in the same way as we chose the subject, we chose who it goes to, and we chose the name of this file. Let's close that one down without sending it, and let's go and have a look. Statement for company B, BO12, same thing, and theirs has got their different sets of data. So you can see, and those are marked as overdue and added up to be paid. So Excel can do all the clever work for you. Even this is a fairly basic mail merge from our tool. If you want to know more, have a look at our website. Go to the support section, using the software, help files, find the help file for the PATools merge suite, and here's all the information. We were looking just now at the output 2, including reserved field names for emails. So here you can see we had email 2, email subject, which is optional, email file name is optional, and there's a whole range of others, so you can select an attachment. You can ask for a read receipt. You can decide what signature your file you're going to put in. You can even select which account it goes from. There's lots of clever stuff. Have a look, have a play. The trick is, take our template, adapt it for your own need. Start playing with a very simple one, follow these through. These all get a little bit more complicated and try and show you more and more about what you can do. Enjoy, and I hope the software is useful to you. Thanks for watching. Bye.